Okay, this video is for graphing and solving XY intercepts. So find the x and y intercept, then graph the equation. This is where the graph crosses the x-axis and y-axis. The x-intercept is the x point, the x-axis point, and the y-intercept is the y-axis point. The points of x comma 0 and 0 comma y are the points. You plug in 0 for the letter that you don't want, or the intercept that you don't want. Substitute 0 on the axis that you are not crossing. So, to find the x-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for y. So, negative 2x plus 0 equals 4. Negative 2x equals 4. Divided by negative 2. My x-intercept is negative 2, 0. To solve for my y-intercept, I'm going to change my color. 0 comma y. I have to find that value. Negative 2 times 0 plus y equals 4. Y equals 4. Now with that point, what I'm going to do is I am going to now graph these points. So 0, 4. So I go to the y-axis and I go up 4, 0, 4. Y-intercept. X-intercept, go to 0 and go left 2. And then what you would do is you draw a line between them. That's not a dark line, but we're going to go with it. So that's how you would graph that. So intercepts are over here. Graphing is there. Remember, plug in 0 for the opposite axis that you're not trying to solve for. I'm going to do this again. This one here, I'm going to make sure to move the 8 over first. So I'm going to rewrite the equation. So 2x minus 3y equals negative 8. Because I want it to be in standard form. Standard form is something x minus something y equals this. It's the easiest form that we're in. So solve for x-axis again. Plug in 0 for y. 2x minus 3 times 0 equals negative 8. 2x equals negative 8. Divide by 2. I get negative 4. Solve for the y-axis. I get 0 for x. Solve for y. 2 times 0 minus 3y equals negative 8. Negative 3y, whoops, equals negative 8. Divided by negative 3. I get 8/3, or roughly 2.666. So, roughly 2.66, so I'm going to come here and put that there. Negative 4, 0. And then graph that line. Notice I do put arrows on both sides. So, XY intercepts are the easiest when you have inequalities. So that's how I'm going to graph my inequalities. You can solve your inequalities for y, but I'm going to show a different way. This is part 1 video. The next video, I'm going to have XY intercepts within it. And then I also will solve for y as well.